Alright, today gonna do a pretty quick video on another Blackcat JB-76B, B for bass, two-piece amplifier. They do make a mobile version of it, pretty much the same head here. Two tubes, two 8417s, and that's what the inside looks like. This one has been somewhat modified. If you see those two white things to the left there, that's the tune and the load caps. On the normal one, it only has the one rear one. It only has a load, and the tune on a normal one is in there, but it's fixed. But what I found with the fixed one is set up for a set of tubes. Like this one has 7581s in it, and the fixed one for this one was set up for 8417s. So the 7581s wouldn't run right, and until I put that adjustable tune cap on there, and then I could tune in the 7581s, and that's what it looked like on the side. Screwdriver adjustable tune and load there, and once I got that cap in and tuned it up, it works really well with the 7581 tubes. It's been recapped. Got those snap-in caps there, 500 volt instead of the normal 450. A lot of capacitance, or plenty. And that's pretty much it, what it looks like. JB-76B, the power supply, the M, they do make a mobile version of this with a mobile power supply instead of the base one. Mobile power supply looks different than this. Maybe I'll make a video of one later. Just basically on the head you got the standby operate switch on the head, and over on the base unit you got the on-off power switch, and that's all there is to the switches. And it's, oh, you do have a input tuner, or actually it's a power output adjuster is what they use it for. By tuning the input, it takes the power out, up and down, and these are made to dead keep 40 watts or less and swing up, and at 40 watts they'll swing to a 200 peak, you know, a good 100 average bird watts. And I think I got this one keying about 20. But anyway, show you what the radio is doing. Today I'm using this little Motorola 555. I like this radio a lot. Oh, we got it on operate, so on standby, that's the radio. 3 watts audio. Talking to 5. Whistling about 6. And that's on average, and put it on peak right quick. Audio. Audio. So about 12 peak watts is all I'm putting into it. I'm going to go over the 200 watt scale, put it back on average, and turn the JB-76 on, and we keyed up now. Audio, 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 audio. And it's dead keying about 15 with the 3 watts going into it. Audio, and so you can see it's talking about 80. Audio, audio. Whistling about 130, and again that's average bird watch this is calibrated to. Hello, that's a good modulator there. And last we're gonna put it on peak. Audio, audio, and that's what these things are supposed to do. 200 peak. Audio, I could set the dead key higher, you know, up to 40. And that's what it's designed for, 40 or less, but it's still only going to do good 200 peak. Be kicking around 100 bird if I turn it up to 40. And that's going to be it today on this Blackcat JB-76 two-piece bass 10 through 12 meter linear amplifier. Bye.